Simplified for 10th standard. Algebra, linear equations in 3 variables, exercise 3.1, question 4. Please subscribe and share with your friends. This is a problem sum. With this sum, we have to write down the 3 equations first, linear equations in 3 variables, and then we have to solve it. So let's first read the sum. The sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 11. So here we have a 3-digit number. You know, so many 3-digit numbers, 350, 591. These are all 3-digit numbers. So here we have a 3-digit number. We do not know what those digits are. So let us say that the hundredths digit be x, tens digit be y, and the units digit be z. Okay. So z is the units place, y is in the tens place, and x is in the hundredths place. So you know that the number will be 100x plus 10y plus z. So this is the number. These are the digits. Okay. The first statement is the sum of the digits of the 3-digit number is 11. So what are the digits? X plus y plus z is equal to 11. So you got the first equation. Very easy, very simple. Now if the digits are reversed, so you're going to reverse the digit. This will become hundredths digit, y will remain the tens digit, and x will become the units digit. So what is the new number? 100z plus 10y plus x. So the digits are reversed. The new number is 46 more than 5 times the former number. 5 times the former number means 5 into the former, this number. This was the original number, 100x plus 10y plus z. So 5 times the original number plus 46, because it is 46 more, plus 46 will give us the new number. Okay, this is the new number. Again let me read. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 46 more than 5 times the original number. So here it is. This is the equation. Simplify it, open the brackets, you will get this equation. This is equation number 2, linear equation in 3 variables. Now let's go for the third one. If the hundredths digit plus the twice the tens digit is equal to the units digit, so hundredths digit x plus 2 times the tens digit is equal to the units digit, which is z. X plus 2y is equal to z. So x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. This is the third equation. So you got the 3 equations, linear equations in 3 variables. We have to find the value of x, y and z so that we will know what the number is. Okay, so let's write down the 3 equations. So here what I have done is very simple. First equation plus the second equation. You can see plus z minus z. So both will get cancelled. So let me add the first with the third equation. So when I add, I get 2x plus 3y. The z will get eliminated, is equal to 11. So this now I have reduced the 3 variables into 2 variables, only x and y. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So this is the fourth equation. Okay, now another equation also I need with the same variables. You have to be very careful here. X and y only we need. So in another equations also you have to eliminate z. Okay, so what we are going to do is, okay, we'll take here, see here, 95z is here. Now, but it is only z here. So if I multiply this equation with 95 and then we can eliminate this z. I have to be careful. I have to again eliminate only z. Do not be eliminating any other variable, because the new equation has got x and y. The same way, the next equation that we are going to get also should have only x and y. Okay, let's eliminate z. So first let's multiply this first equation with 95. If I multiply, I get like this. Okay, and then I have to change, because this is both are plus, I'm going to make this minus so that it will eliminate. So I have to change the sign all through. So this minus also becomes plus, minus becomes plus, this plus will become minus, and this will become minus. Okay, now you can do the addition. So minus has become plus, isn't it? So 95x plus 499x, that is 594x, plus 95 plus 40 is 135y, is equal to, this will cancel, this 11 multiplied by 95 is 1045, minus 46 is 999. So you can see I've got another equation in x and y. Okay, let me write it down. So these are the two equations. Now you can see that I have reduced those three equations. From those three equations with three variables, now I've got two linear equations with only two variables. Now it is very easy. You can again do elimination. Here this this equation I multiplied by 45, because if I multiply this, I can get 135. 3 into 45 is 135. And then easily I can eliminate y. So I'm multiplying by 145, the fourth equation. 45 only, the fourth equation. So you multiply, you get like this. This, write it as it is. Okay. Now here you have to change the sign, because there's a plus here. Both are plus. So I'm making this minus. So I have to make everywhere, I have to change the sign. This is minus, here also minus. 90 minus 594x is minus 505x. This will cancel. This is equal to minus 505. So here you can see x is equal to 1. So you know what is x. That's the first digit of the number. Okay. Now substitute x is equal to 1 in the first equation, 4 here, and you get the value of y. Y is equal to 3. 3 is the second digit. Okay, you got x and y. So you can take the first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 11. Substitute x and y, you get the value of z. Z is equal to 7. That is the third digit. So what is the number? 137. 137 is the answer.